Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you this look, this pretty pink, I don't know, purplish cut crease. Today I wanted to get a little bit out of my comfort zone and do a different type of cut crease. As you can see, I like how it came out, although it was not initially, it was not supposed to be like this. I was not going for this, but I figured this also works, so yeah, and it's a bit easier than what I wanted to do anyway. So please continue to watch if you want to see this video, this makeup look. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment and share this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye. So starting with the eyes, we're using the Be Perfect Prime Eyeshadow Priming Base. I'm not sure if Omnis is the shade, but yeah, I'm using that to base my eyes and I'm blending that out. For the eyes today, we're going in with the Be Perfect Carnival XL Pro palette, their collaboration with Stacey Marie. And today I'm just trying to do some kind of a winged out cut crease. So I used the shade Howl in that palette to sort of outline the line that I'm going for. I then went in with a darker brown called Intuition, and I am darkening up that line, and I'm going to blend out that Intuition, that dark brown, with a color, an orangey color called Slow Burn, and I am using a blending brush to blend that out. After that, we're going to move into cut the crease. I'm using the same Be Perfect Prime Eyeshadow Priming Base, and I'm cutting my crease. So as per usual, you need to take it slow, and when you are cutting a crease, you need to be precise. You need to make sure that the cut crease is as straight and as clean as possible. So in real time, it took me a real long time because I needed to make sure that it comes out very well. So I'm cutting my crease with that eyeshadow. I then even went in with my P. Louise base in Groomer number 3 because the P. Louise base is a bit thicker, and I find that cuts the crease much better. So I added that on top of the Be Perfect primer. Whatever you have, even if it's concealer, it works. Just make sure you're precise. So for the lid colors, I'm using the Pink Me. Pink Me is the color that I'm using for the inner corners or the inner part of the cut crease, and then on the outer part I went in with a purple shimmer called Orchid, and yeah, I put that and I extended that color to outside of the wing part of the crease. For the face, we're moving into L'Oreal Infallible, the mattifying base. I'm just putting that on my face, making sure to concentrate on my T-zones and rubbing that in as gentle as possible. And I'm moving on to concealer. As you know, I don't put on foundation all over my face. So the first concealer I'm using is the shade Honey in the number 338 in the L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer. And then I move on to my foundation. I'm using the NYX Cosmetics Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Mahogany, and I blend that out with my foundation brush. I then took my makeup wipe and I wiped the side of my cut crease, just to make it a bit more neater. And then I went in with my lighter concealer in the L'Oreal Infallible More Than Conceal in the shade Toffee Caramel. The number is 336. And to set that concealer, I use my NC43, well, the Studio Fix powder plus foundation powder in the shade NC43. So I go in with that first, and then on top of that I use my Beignet banana powder and I sort of like bake. I also cut on that contour part just to sharpen my contour, and I'm using my NickaK Newyork Duo Contour palette well, the two shades, and I mix those two together, and I set my contour. Obviously, I contour my nose as well, and then I use still my Banana banana powder, and I just make sure that my nose is snatched by baking that part of my nose. So I went in with the brown shades under my eyes, which is Howl and Intuition, and then I drew my bottom line waterline with the Essence long lasting eye pencil in the shade Snow Queen, and then I moved on to blush, and I used a mix of my NYX Cosmetics Love Thing blush, and then I added on top, I used the Sephora Charmed number 27. This particular blush is a bit more shimmery. So for my highlight, I went in the same Be Perfect XL Carnival XL Pro palette, and I even used that on the inner corners of my eye. And for the lips, the combo is MAC Chestnut and NYX Cosmetics Intense Butter Gloss in the shade Peanut Brittle, and there you have it. And I topped it with my Essence Wet Look gloss, and that's the look for today. Just a quick video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.